Yeah. So if anybody new person is joining today, no worries. Just I explain how to install the TypeScript because Angular is working completely. Angular is depending upon the TypeScript only. In Angular, the packages they implemented using TypeScript. So that's why you want to consume the packages of Angular. Okay, and composite TypeScript support is required for us. So due to that reason, first we are discussing how to work with this TypeScript. That concept we are discussing now. Is it clear? Yes. Now come to this point. Once again, just overview idea I'm giving here. Okay, now how to download this TypeScript and how to install this TypeScript. Okay, now here if you take TypeScript, yeah, it is open source client-side script. Which organization is implemented this TypeScript? Microsoft. Yes, implemented by Microsoft. And now here Angular packages are implemented using TypeScript. Okay, so here we can download the TypeScript from external repositories. But here node repository. Yeah, it means what is node repository? It is a location provides packages of various technologies like Angular, TypeScript, React, etc. All these technologies packages are available in this node repository. Is it clear? Yes. Now, how to download the required packages? First, we download the TypeScript. Further, one program is required. What the program? npm. Using this program, we can download the required package from node repository. As for the program we are using here, npm program, for the main purpose of this program, so to download the required packages. So download means nothing but install. Yes, it is nothing but installing. Now you want to install TypeScript, then what the command? npm install TypeScript. So we should use -g. -g means global installation. What is the purpose of this -g? Okay, it will install globally. Okay, so then we can easily access from any drive. Globally means in the common location of computer. For example, if you install any software like MS Office or Edit Plus, etc., where these softwares are installing in the roaming location, we are calling it as roaming location. So there means in programs files are there. So in that program files, it is installing this TypeScript. Not only TypeScript, any package if you use with -g, that package is installing in that roaming location. That package we can use everywhere. If I don't give -g, then that package is installing in local location. Local location means nothing but the current drive location. It will install in the current drive location. So then it is not possible to access from another drive. So that is the concept of -g. Is it clear? Yes, fine. So now npm program by default, is it available? in our system? No. By default, it is not available in our system. By default, npm program is not available in our system. So further, we have to install Node.js. So we are installing Node.js. So once you install this Node.js, so two things are downloading. Okay, now here after installation of Node.js, we can get, yes, one is Node server, another one is npm program. These two things are downloading here. Node server we are using to run the Node.js script. That is entirely different part. Okay, but for us this is required here. What that npm program is required. So this program we are using to download the node packages. Okay, means here only three things finally coming into the picture. Okay, what is that? First one, install Node.js. Second one, okay, yeah, install TypeScript. And third one, execute the TypeScript program. Okay, so right now we have these two steps: and install Node.js and install TypeScript. That's all. Once you install Node.js, then here what is providing npm program, it is providing. By using this program, you can install the TypeScript. That is the concept of this. Is it clear? Yes. Now we will discuss how to work with those things here. So just already I explained this concept, just refreshment. So Node.js we are installing first of all. Okay, what is that? Node.js. From where? Nodejs.org. From there, download this software 15.5 with the current version, and very simple installation here. Okay, so double click on this, next install. That's the procedure which we are using. 1 second, it is loading. Already in my system installed one is available. So just go to these downloads. Yesterday only we installed. Okay, we downloaded na? Yes. So this one. Okay, now just double click. Okay, next. So yesterday only I installed. That's why it is displaying this option: change, repair, remove. But in your system, directly displays next. Okay, like install will come here in your system. Okay, for me yesterday only I installed. That's why it displays like this. Okay, now what is happened here? That Node.js has been installed. Okay, so that's the first step. You want to check whether it is installed or not. Then how can you check here? Just open the command prompt. Through command prompt you can check this one. Is it clear? Yes. So I'm going to open the command prompt now. Yes. Simple node -v. Now what the version we have? 15.5.0. Yes, like that. npm-v 7.3 means node server is 15 version and npm program is 7.3. Like that, these are installed. Okay, now we are ready to create a TypeScript program and we can run that program. So that is the procedure. So up to here, any doubts you have, you can ask me. I'm keeping you in unmute mode. Yes. Any questions you have, you can directly ask with your mic, or you can use chat window also. Okay, I think no doubts. Fine. Now I want to create one TypeScript program and I want to execute. Okay, so just yesterday I told you some points related to this. So TypeScript file extension should be .ts. What is that? .ts is the extension. Okay, next one, we can write a JavaScript code inside the TypeScript. and TypeScript is type safe. Type safe means it supports the data types. That is the meaning of type safe. So type safe means what is the meaning here? It supports any type of data types. Okay. And next one, TypeScript, if you take here, okay, this TypeScript for compilation, what is the command we are using? TSC command. That is for compilation. So TSC file name.ts. What is the benefit of this compilation? Yes, this compilation, yeah, installation steps for TypeScript. Sorry, I forgot that. So open command prompt. Nothing is there. I told you na. npm. Already we got npm program. Npm install TypeScript -g. Already this statement I told you. The TypeScript is installing. Yes. So it is done. Got it. If you type tsc, so set of statements are available here. What the meaning of this? It is installed successfully. Is it clear? Yes. And which version TypeScript is installed? 4.1.3. Like that. Okay, fine. So, okay, fine. Now tsc is the command. So when I use tsc file name.ts, then what is happening here? It is converting into, yes. First it is checking for errors. Once no errors are there, yes, converting TypeScript into JavaScript. Yes, the TypeScript code it is converting into JavaScript code. That JavaScript code we are using in our application. Is it clear? Yes. So this is the scenario which we are following here. tsc is the command. Yes, this command we are using to compile the TypeScript program. So compilation process is nothing but, okay, checking for errors, and if no errors found, then it is converting into JavaScript code. Okay, so the TypeScript is converting into JavaScript. That is the concept. So finally, we require JavaScript only because browser can understand JavaScript code. Browser cannot understand the TypeScript code. Is it clear? Yeah. This is the procedure of this compilation. Now we will discuss how to work with this, okay, TypeScript, that concept we're discussing. So first of all, data types we are starting here. So what is the main difference between JavaScript and TypeScript? So JavaScript is loosely typed script and TypeScript is type safe. Type safe means, what is the meaning of type safe? So it is providing the data types. You can restrict a variable with a specific data type. For example, one variable I'm creating. In that variable, I want to allow only numbers. Okay. Then here, I can restrict with data type integer like that. That is possibility here in TypeScript. And JavaScript, if you are taking this JavaScript, we can't provide any data types like integer or string like that. Okay, that's why here we cannot store the specific value in a variable. We can store number, later we can store any string, later we can change that variable with any other data type. That's why here consistency is missing and memory leaks will occur. That is the main issue. That is the main issue. So that's why here data types are very, very important for us. Okay, so here if you take this TypeScript is type safe, means it is supporting different types of data types. Okay, yeah, that's the concept of this. Is it clear? Yeah. So now what are the data types we have in this TypeScript we are discussing now? Okay, yeah. So here data types, TypeScript. Yeah. So first of all, data types are used to specify the type of variable data. So data types we are using to specify the type of variable data. So there are different types of data types we have in this TypeScript. Okay, so those data types are nothing but number, next one string, like that. Okay, now here available data types are okay, number, string, boolean. Okay, any, null is also there. We don't use this null data type. Is it clear? Okay, so like that, these are different types of data types we are using here. So decimal values or any normal integer values, everything we are storing in number.
Undefined use here or not, sir?
Undefined is also there. Undefined no use at all, because undefined means value cannot be defined. Okay, so undefined in which point of we are using right now I am creating one variable with undefined, but later on I want to store a value, but instead of undefined any is sufficient for us. Is it clear? Yes, in the earlier version undefined was there, later any released, that any is providing more features than undefined. Is it clear? Yeah, that's
Okay,
why
sir.
here main or these four only, even null also not required. Null also not required. But any is very important for us, because in Angular we are getting the data from external resources like API services or any other external resources. In this point of view, we don't know which type of data is coming from there. Then we are declaring with any data type. Is it clear?
Sir, here we are not using var and let.
Yeah, where we are using that only I'm telling now. So where
Okay.
or let. Yeah, using these keywords we can declare variables. Yeah, actually where and let are not data types. Okay, understand this one. So don't
Yes, sir.
think these are data types. Okay, where and let are not data types. Okay, these are keywords. Okay, in which point of we are using these keywords here? Yes, so we can declare variables here. So what is the main purpose of this where and let? Okay, so we can provide scope to the variable, like function scope or block scope, like that we have these scopes here. So we can provide the scopes to the variables using this where and let. So I will discuss that concept later, because that is entirely different one. Okay, so anyhow, once you are observe this one, so where is one keyword as well as let is one keyword. These keywords we are using to declare the variables. So what is the difference between where and let? I will discuss later. Okay, fine. Now I am creating one program. Initially I'm using edit plus one or two classes. Later we will start our discussion with Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Okay, so we are using IDE. Which IDE we are using here? Microsoft Visual Studio Code IDE we are using, but initially we are discussing with edit plus. Okay, yeah. Now open edit plus and save this. So here in class folder, okay, B8630 is there already for you. One folder we created. In this folder, just yeah, pro1.ts have given, or just data types.ts. I told you extension of TypeScript file should be .ts. Given like this, data types.ts. Now, for example, serial number colon number is equal 100 I have given. What the meaning? This is the name of variable and this is the data type. So this is the way of declaration of variable. Separator is colon we are using here. But here variables should start with either let or where keyword. I'm using where. So this where is initializing this means it is creating the variable. It is providing the memory to this variable. Okay. Now let serial number are given. I'm printing that serial number here. Yes, I'm given let serial number. So once again, if you observe this one, just serial number colon number is equal 100. Finally, I've given alert serial number. I'm printing that one. Alert is used to display message box. You know that, right? We are using alert in which point of view? To display the message box and browser. Okay, fine. Now save this program and in desktop class is there. This folder. In this folder, just in which location I created this one? BAT 630. There I created here. So data types. That is a program. So yesterday just I created this program. Okay. Yeah. Now I want to compile this program. Then open the command prompt. What is the command we are using for compilation? I told you. TSD. TS is the command prompt. Command we are using on the command prompt. So here click on this address and type CMD. Now command prompt is open in that location directly. So no need to open the command prompt by using run command and no need to change the path of this location. Directly in that path, select that path and type CMD. Okay. TSC. Yes. Typescript Compiler. So what is the file name we are using here? Yes. Data
types.ts.
Yes. Using this one. Yes. Data types.ts. Now it is compiled successfully. Now you can tell me what is happened. What is happened there? Can anyone tell? Yeah.
It create data type.js file.
Yes, exactly. Before that, it is checking for the errors. Okay. If no errors are there, then it is creating data type.js file. Okay. Now, for example, this file, permit this bracket. Okay. Yes. Then again, I'm recompiling here. Up pair is enough to get the last command. Now, if any errors are there, it displays that error. Yes, now you can see here, displays one error message. Yes, yeah. Observe that. Like that, first it is checking for the errors. If no errors are there, then only it is converting into JavaScript file. Okay. Now here, let this save. With this. Okay. If you observe here, we got data types.js file, right? Yes, this file is available in this location. Now this file I want to use in my browser. Now we are creating the HTML program. In the HTML program, we are using this file in the browser here. Okay, we are calling this file. So do you know how to call the external JavaScript file up from HTML program? Yes, open edit. Yes, and save this file. Yes, the same location, desktop class is there. In this class, BAT 630. There just something my pro.html. Yes, yeah. So in this program, I want to use this one. Then script tag we are using. That's what the tag we are using here. Script tag. So in this script tag, I want to call this HTML program. Yes. How can I call? From the script tag, source is equal to that HTML program. From HTML program, I want to call JavaScript. Then we are using the property. Which property we are using? SRC property we are using, right? Source property. Okay. So all of you, if anybody is new for this, remember this one. Source is equal to yes. Then what is this program? Data types.js. Close this one. And body tag I am using to display something like welcome. Yeah. Now it will call both here. One is HTML message it displays here. Along with that, JavaScript, that file information also displays like this. Is it clear? Yes. That is the scenario which is working here. Okay, fine. Now let me use this statement here. This file, let me open this one. Now you can see 100 is the output we are getting. Along with this 100, it displays that message also. What is that? Yes, now you can see. Display that message. Welcome with the message. It is displaying here. Is it clear? Like that it is working. Okay, fine. Now I want to do some modifications in this JS file. Okay, I means in the TypeScript file. So what are the modifications we are doing here? Okay, so here, where is the TypeScript file we created? Yes, here. Serial number is equal to Scott. I am using. Yeah, is it valid or invalid? Okay, so now again go to the command prompt which is open already, and up arrow, press enter key. Then here, yes, invalid. It displays the error message here. Yes, because already you have given. What is that you have given? That serial number as number type. Then how can you assign the string? That is the message only displays here. Is it clear? You have given serial number as number. You cannot assign string. So now here I am taking another variable. Uname colon string is equal to Scott. So is it valid or invalid? Is it valid or invalid? It is also invalid because where is not there. You are missing where. So we have to use where. Okay, now I am using where like this. Yes, save this and recompile this one. Yes, now we got this output. Okay, yes, like that we can use where keyword, or let also we can use. The difference I will tell you. There is a string data type. So now let your name. Next one, where x colon boolean is equal to true. I am using here. Yes, I will show you that one. So x colon boolean is equal to true. Then let x I have given. Now if you observe this one, okay, recompile this. Now three variables I have taken. Yeah. Refresh. 100 Scott true like that. Yes. Yeah. Let me close this one. This is unnecessary. Next one, where y colon any is equal to. Any means it can hold any type of value. Is it clear? Yes, I have given y colon any is equal to. So something like, yes, 1, 2, 3 I have given. Next line, y is equal to Amit. Sorry, Amit I have given. Yes, now you can see no errors we are getting here. Okay, we're not getting any errors like this. Because any data type can store any type of value. First I stored number, later I'm storing string. Like that, any type of value we can use here. Yes, finally I'm using let y. Now save this and recompile this one. And refresh. If you observe here, 100, Scott, true, and Amit, like that we're getting this out. So these are the main data types which we have. Okay, is it clear? Yeah. So all of you clear with this concept? Yes, we are using this type of data types like integer, number, string, and any like that. These are different types of data types which we have. And null means we are storing the null value that is not required for us. So null data type we are using in which point of it to store the null value, we are using the null data type. Okay, fine. So this is the concept how to use the data types. Yeah. So if I don't use where, okay, then it raises the error message. If you don't use where, then what is happening? It raises the error message. So that's a compulsory. We can use either where or let. These keywords we are using here. Yes, fine. So any questions you want to ask me in this point of you can ask now. Any queries, any questions you want to ask, you can ask. Yes. No doubts, no queries. Okay, fine. Yeah. So I will show the script. Yeah. That file I'm opening now. Yes, like that. So this is script source is equal to data types dot JS, and this is the closing tag of script. Inside this body we have, okay, welcome message. No, we have to create this file. We have to create this file. This file is not created its own. We have to create this file. Is it clear? So here only JS file is creating after compilation. Is it clear? Yes. In the same folder you have to create this file. All these things should be there in the same folder. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Any more queries you have in this point of? Okay, fine. Now see, all these are in 3 locations. Actually this is the file which is created automatically, and this is the TypeScript file, and this is the HTML file. Like that, these are the files are created automatically. Sorry, this file is created automatically. These 2 files I created manually. This is TS file and this is HTML file, like that. Okay, fine. Now come to the next concept. Okay, so what is our next concept? Yeah, HTML file should create with the extension .html. So I have given my pro.html like that. Yes, TypeScript file should create with the extension .ts, and this is auto-generated file. That's all. Yeah. Now we need to discuss about watch mode. Okay, what is that? Hyphen watch, or we can also use hyphen watch or we can use -w. Yeah. What is this? To compile a TypeScript file with watch mode. Yeah. What is the meaning of this? To compile a TypeScript file with watch mode. So what is the use of this watch mode? In which point of we are using this watch mode? Is it clear? Yes. Watch mode means every time I open this command prompt and I use it up arrow to get the TSC statement, okay, and every time I compile, but once you start the compilation with watch mode, so no need to compile again and again. So that I will show you now. Okay, now here this is our program. So let hi I have given. Now this program related JS file is linked with our HTML program. So this is our HTML program. Already it is open on browser. Okay. Yes. Now when I refresh, will it display hi? No, it will not display. Old output only coming here because this program which I created, it is not yet compiled. Okay. So first we have to compile this one. Yes, once we compile this, then only it will generate that JS file. So that JS file we are using in our HTML program. That is the concept of this. Okay. Now I am using this compilation process. How to work with this compilation? Automatic compilation. Normally want to compile yes. So you have to use up arrow or you have to type this one. But now I am using --, watch. Extra I have given --, watch. Press enter key. Now you can see it is compiled with watch mode. What is the benefit of this watch mode? So whenever I'm modifying this file, automatically it will recompile again and again. That is the benefit of this watch mode. Now if you observe this one, yes, it displays hi message, right? Yes, now next one, elect Scott I have given. Yes, and save this. Then if you observe the backend here, then what is happened? So just it is recompiled again. Yes, like that here. The thing is, many times it is compiling itself. Whenever I am modifying this file here, then automatically it is compiling again and again. Is it clear? Yes. So that's why here we did not touch the command prompt. Okay, we did not touch the command prompt. Directly we can refresh this one here. When I refresh, then what is happening? Hide the message which we are getting like this. This is the compilation which we have, and hi as well as we are getting that next one what that's got in the message. Is it clear? Yes. Yeah, understand this? 1 second. Hello, చెప్పండి hello చెప్పండి 7:30 కదా అది నీ క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను 7:30 జాయిన్ అవ్వను మీరు స్టార్ట్ చేసేయండి ఆ లింక్ ఓకేనా ఓకే yes like that we are using this concept now. So now here one more let John something I am modifying this script. When I save, then what is happening automatically? So it will compile in backend. So if I refresh this one, then hi is coming, Scott is coming, John is also displaying here. Means every time we need not refresh this one. I means we need not go to the command prompt here to recompile this program. Is it clear? So that is the scenario which is working with this watch mode. If I don't use watch mode, Control C is the break mode for this watch. Why? You want to break this watch mode, Control C. So now here, yeah, if I don't use watch mode, then what is that? One-time comparison, not continuous comparison. Is it clear? It is compiling only one time. It is not compiling continuously. But if I give watch mode, then it is compiling continuously. Is it clear? Whenever you are saying this file, then automatically it is compiling here. So this is the very important because at the time of working with Angular programs, okay, we are using this watch mode a lot. Okay, I think you got clarity in this point of view. Yes, any questions you have, you can ask me now. No doubts. Fine. So practice this program. So tomorrow onwards, I will give you the notes related to these concepts which we are discussing. Okay, today just install this TypeScript and just create the variables and work out with this program. Try yourself. Okay. So notes I will provide from tomorrow onwards. I will upload into the server. You can download. And the second point, tomorrow also I will start 10 minutes late tomorrow. So after that, regular timings, no need to worry about that because of another batch. I am spending up to 6:40. That's why tomorrow also you people come by 6:40. Later 6:30 exactly we start the session. Okay. Yes. So see in tomorrow's session, practice this program. So I will give the notes about this here. So prerequisite is for this session in nothing but TypeScript. To learn this Angular, TypeScript is the main part here. So that's why I'm explaining the TypeScript first of all. Without knowledge on this TypeScript, you can't do anything in this Angular. The prerequisite is nothing but TypeScript only. Okay. Yes. See you next session. You can leave now. Thank you.